ceiling detail, and it lights up at night as well, which makes it even more gorgeous. And you can see this is the beach right away as soon as you walk through the front doors. And all this lovely decor, and all these reception desks. Over there is a little coffee house where you can get smoothies and protein shakes and little desserts. There's a grand piano. There's a look at the front desk. Just take in those ceiling details. It's so beautiful. And all the decor. And there's a little gift shop over there as well. Walking out here, you have the Amber Bar right there, overlooking the water. And then here is the main hotel lobby area. The main lobby and that little arch. And then you have Palms Food Display, which is a buffet. There you have part of the NESTA lounge and the ACKEE restaurant, which is tucked away in the back there. NESTA, RASTA lounge is up there as well. It all connects. And then the Amber Bar down below. And then beside Amber Bar is Magna, is tucked away in the corner, and that's the Italian restaurant that you need reservations for. RASTA lounge, and it overlooks the water. It's so beautiful. And there is where the bar is, and there's dance floor. And across this little platform, there is the ACKEE restaurant, and then another little lounge over here. What the room looks like when you first walk in. We're on the 3rd floor of building 3. And then we have the washroom in here. A little cameo from Jake.
Hello!
And we have a double vanity right here, nice cool tile, rainfall shower head, and the washroom there. A selection of nice toiletries and a limited vanity makeup mirror. Double closets in here with hanging rods, and there's a ironing board, iron, and then a safe over here. And walking into the main area, TV, and there's the king size bed, the light, smart work, and there's the AC. And there's a remote for the AC over there. Got a little table, it's good for room service. And then under here is the mini bar. We've already drank some items out of that, but it's stocked with beer, Pepsi, usually 7.5 bottles of water, and some little chip things. which is nice. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, snacks. Coffee maker. No snacks, just coffee. There is 24-hour room service, so you can just call that down with the phone right there. The bed's really nice. And then out here is the best part. There's a little balcony with that little circle lounger, which is so cute. And the view of the water right over here. There's another view going this way. Around here, super high ceilings. Very clean, fresh, and a nice big mirror here. And another look there. And that is the room tour. The morning spread from room service breakfast. Beautiful day in Jamaica. Look at that water. Doesn't get more beachfront than this. We're literally steps away from the beach. There is swim-up rooms down there, pool that you have access to, and then the boardwalk, and the water's down there. And then we have the swim-up bar right down there, and lots of different pool areas. This is outside of building 3. So it goes on quite a bit, going down all the way to building 12, down here. So I'm sitting in like a little, I like to call them onion beds because they look like little onions from the outside. But they're these nice wicker cabanas, you could say. And then the beach butler comes around and asks you what kind of drink you want. So I got a strawberry daiquiri. So I'm feeling like a princess sitting on the beach right now. They bring you your drinks like on a little silver platter. I feel like a princess. Where you can do non-motorized water sports. So you rent it from this little opening right here. There's usually staff in there till 5 p.m. And then you can do kayaks and sailboats, paddle boards for the premium guests as well. There looks to be some suites up there. And these little loungers down here overlooking the water. And then that is Garfield's beach house there. And then there's a bar up there as well. And then dining on the inside. They do a beach barbecue out here.
You Sprite in the beer?
The view of Garfield's beach house, and all of the beach cabanas and beach chairs, and then the gorgeous 7-mile beach. All beautiful white sand, and gorgeous blue water. And all these cabanas, I never had a hard time getting one or one in the sun. And then you can put the little tarps down if you get too warm. Spa massages up there at the Sky Massage. Building 5 and Building 4. And they've got these lovely beach cabanas lining the whole entire beach, which is amazing. So there's lots to choose from. And that looks to be the place where they do, I guess, yoga services, the well-being platform. You can see like a wedding arch down there and then another pool bar. Up there on the 3rd floor, right there, is actually where we are staying, overlooking the ocean. And that's our view. Up here on the beach, sitting in our little beach cabana. Got a pina colada. Last day here at the resort. It's beautiful. Cheers. See your bracelet. Beautiful. Look at that color.